Hi everybody, back here, EMD Automotive. So I just finished installing the brand new stalk. This is the clock spring here. As you can tell, it's been taking it out before, and it's a little broken tab there, and that one's still fine, but it's still okay as long as it locks into the hole of the steering wheel. It's not that bad, but you can tell it's been taking it out before. But now I'm going to actually show you that's staying up, staying down. But before you go like that, you turn right and it doesn't stay up, it keeps coming down. You put it up and just keep coming down, so it doesn't stay up, but now it's staying up. I'm going to put the steering wheel on now, and I'm gonna try it, and then I'll see. Alright, I'll just gonna press pause and I'll come back. Alright, now I just put the steering wheel on, so now I'm gonna try the indicator now. So turn right, that's staying up, the light's coming on, and now I'm gonna turn the steering wheel, cancelled. To left, turn left, so left. So everything's back to normal now. All I gotta do now is put the the airbag on, and then erase the airbag light using the computer. Alright, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.